Hello and welcome back. I'm going today to replace these side turn signals. I bought these. Where is the? Bought these sequential. You can see, but then I seen these different ones, so I'm going to replace them. They're same color and everything, just a little bit different style. I'm going to take one, replace one so we can see how it's going to look. It should be super simple. If you decide to get these pins inside, they're on one side, so you'll have to kind of put a screwdriver in and push them, otherwise you won't be able to plug them in. So okay, here we go. See how these work? I kind of like these better than the other ones, so I don't know, let me know what you guys think. But I'm going to replace this one, and that's it. It's super easy, so you just push it. The new ones that you get, I mean your old ones, the stock ones, they're pain in the butt to remove, but if you buy these, you'll be stay there, it'll be easy to replace. But the original ones, they're kind of pain in the ass to remove. So but yeah, this is it'll literally take you like 2 minutes to do this. And there you go, all done. And now you just put it back in. Bam, right there. So yeah, but these are not bad either if you like them. So yeah, stay tuned for more, guys. I still have to do the coding on the com box for the SUV. Just stay tuned. Alright, thanks for watching.